Hey everybody, this is David Skrika. Hope you're all well. This is July 4th. I'm pre-recording this on July 2nd because I'm flying back to Canada July the 3rd, and just wanted to have all the content up and running. So today we're going to look at one of my sponsor companies, which is kind of my baby. Um, and then we're going to look at some other things here. Two Americana kind of stocks. And part of the reason why it's hard for me, we'll see what happens in the markets, but to be real bearish when I see what these two stocks are doing right at the moment. So let's get right into it. So the first stock is this is Walmart. Of course, what's more American than Walmart? The other one I can do is McDonald's. That's about as American as you get, right? So if we go look at Walmart in the last couple of years, there was a big tank in 2022, when they were having problems with inflation and this and that, and the stock has come roaring back. So either we're gonna like fail at these highs here, but if it breaks out, this will be all time highs in Walmart. So um, so you can see this right here. So if we break this, I would think that we're going to go pretty significantly higher, or at least to like 170, something like that. And again, I would think that if Walmart is breaking out, it's tough to have a bear market, right? So, and you can see here, like this has been a really almost a 3 year sideways pattern in Walmart. Sorry, I got people texting me right now. I'm going to turn that off. Anyhow, so for now. And then you can see this here. So there was a false breakout kind of here. So it's not like, none of some of these things aren't totally set in stone, but I would think after this big kind of like 3 year consolidation, if Walmart were to break this kind of high from 2022, I would think that you're going to see a leg higher. And this is McDonald's. So you can see McDonald's has been a steady uptrend. McDonald's is very overvalued. They're doing a lot of stock buybacks to kind of manipulate earnings, but you don't fight the trend, right? You don't fight the tape, as they say, and McDonald's has continued higher, higher, and higher. And again, it's probably tough to have a bear market in stocks when McDonald's is doing so well. If we go back a period of time ago, McDonald's really struggled in the early 2000s. The stock was down to $14 a share. If you would have bought it then, you would be up in 20 years, 20 times on your money, plus all the dividends McDonald's play. So yeah, as long as this trend is kind of intact, and McDonald's actually held up pretty good during the financial crisis as well. Like I said, it's not a cheap stock anymore. I wouldn't buy it myself here, but like just, with McDonald's acting so well, again, another difficult scenario here for the market, that these Americana stocks, McDonald's, Walmart, are doing so well at the moment. And you can see McDonald's has kind of broken this high here. And go look what happened here when it broke it. Boom. So we haven't significantly broken out yet, but I would say if you close above 300, maybe another run could happen here. And look, you don't want to get too sucked in because look at this breakout here. And that's why I never buy on these big breakouts. But you could see something like what happened in late 2021 here, and McDonald's like having a little spike. So one of my sponsor companies is Nevada King. And this is kind of like a company that's really like kind of like near and dear to me because I actually helped coordinate the sale of the property, the Atlanta mine, which is in Nevada, which is kind of their mainstream mine. So you can see Nevada King, like it's kind of like been going up and down, up and down. I think most of my people got in at 40 cents when we did the pre-IPO. So it's roughly flat to slightly up. But I would think that if you can break about this 50 to 55 cent area in Nevada King and they can develop this Atlanta mine, maybe we can go back to the highs of 2020, 2021. And of course, like if they can develop the resource in this Atlanta project and then go into production, it would go much higher. So this is run by, partially run by a friend of mine, Colin Cattell, who I met years ago. I met him, he was this 24-year-old kid. He was doing this and that. I was like, I cannot believe this kid. Like this guy is, he's in his early 30s now. He just got married. Congratulations, Colin. So anyhow, but like this is a stock to definitely look at kind of here. And like I said, they have a resource that they are kind of upgrading. increasing, and at some point, maybe looking to put into production or having a company take over them to put into production. And again, it's Independence Day. This is a company that I basically kind of helped set up, and it is in Nevada, so it's a U.S. deal. So, and I thought I'd just leave it at that. This does not have to be too long. So we got, Walmart, McDonald's, two Americana stocks kind of acting strong here. This is a mining deal I like that is based in the United States. So happy Independence Day to everyone. We'll have some more updates, obviously more stock charts of the day, more interviews. And I hope everybody has a great holiday weekend. And I'm kind of enthused about what I'm doing again, which I have to admit, I wasn't for a long period of time. And it's always good to kind of get your passion back. And I think we all go through periods like this in our life. And thanks for bearing with me for my long-term supporters. And yeah, to the haters, whatever, I still love you too. Just joking around. Anyhow, I hope we continue to like these charts. Hope we like these ideas. We'll have a lot more of these going forward, and I'm excited about where this is all going right now. Thank you very much.